Yes, I am talking about sandbox technology that is designed to prevent the threats from infiltrating the network. Hello and welcome to Minute Article. I would like to talk about a very critical tool in cybersecurity that forms a containment barrier to defend the strikeouts from the unknown threats. Yes, I am talking about sandbox technology that is designed to prevent the threats from infiltrating the network. Basically, this technology does a wonderful job of quarantining the potentially suspicious program or code in an isolated virtual machine. This isolated environment of sandbox technology helps the IT security staff to test the suspicious program or code without affecting or damaging the host machine or the operating system. While observing the execution behavior of the suspicious code, if a threat is detected, it is proactively removed. This technology eventually helps in adding an additional layer of network security. Apart from playing a major role in cybersecurity, sandbox technology also benefits the software development. It helps the developers to run the code in the isolated sandbox environment before deployment without affecting the application system or the platform on which they run. This technology is brilliantly capable of mimicking the end user operating system in the tightly controlled environment. However, if there is an exponential increase in smart cyberattacks, can the technology of sandbox maintain its secure status? Your answer matters. If you like my articulation, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Minute Article. Next Thursday, I will be back again with some more new insights. This is me, Malti Desai, signing off.